What's up guys, I'm Shirley and I want to tell you about my favorite new product from First Aid Beauty, Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. It's an oil-free, skin-loving primer that helps hydrate, brighten, and lock makeup in place. I even use it on my no makeup days like today. Like all First Aid Beauty products, this formulation contains good-for-you clean ingredients like hyaluronic acid to help boost your skin's moisture so it looks and feels smoother. Colloidal oatmeal to help calm and soothe dry and distressed skin. Micro pearls to amplify your skin's natural radiance. And FAB's antioxidant booster with licorice root, feverfew, and white tea extract to help protect from environmental aggressors. It's allergy tested, it's safe for sensitive skin, and it's cruelty-free, so yay! To use, apply evenly over clean skin or after applying your serum if you use one. Remember, this will hydrate as well as prime, and it works for all skin types. Follow up with makeup for a fresh, long-lasting look. Not only does this primer help my makeup look better, but I love that it gives me a clean layer between my skin and my makeup. If you're looking for a skin-loving primer that helps hydrate, brighten, and lock makeup in place, you should definitely give Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer a try.